You Afrikaans people, the way you say numbers is messed up. Because English people, you'll say 24. Makes perfect sense. 20? No? We know it's in the 20s. How much in the 20s are we? How deep are we in the 20s? 4. Makes sense. Afrikaans people, we go 4 in 20. We start at the back. Means I know, why do we do that?
Alright kinders, laas ek het ons geleer om in Engels te tel, so vandag doen ons dit in Afrikaans. Yes! Kan julle onthou wat ons laasweek geleer het?
Dit was 20 meneer.
Jy's reg, Kosie. So wat kom dan na 20?
Ek weet nie meneer.
Dink aan laasweek toe ons in Engels getel het. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Doen dit nou in Afrikaans, Kosie?
Okay meneer. 20, 21, 22.
Nee, Kosie. In Afrikaans stel ons soos die Chinese, agterste voorom. Dis 21, 22, 23, 24. Verstaan jy, Kosie?
Niks maak meer sin nie.